All right, let's quickly look into. Someone asked me about profitable cars on Hamster. All right, I can't basically tell you now because I've bought my own to into high. Listen, although I have the list, I will share the list in the group. All right, after this video, posting this video, I will share the list. What I want to say is, there's a way I do mine. Okay, now you come to, let me go to special. I want to be fast about this. Let's just go to special for an experiment, or let's first go to legal. All right, yeah, you see I have 86 million. I've been reducing it, sha. um I actually want to get a skin of grandmaster, 100 million skin. I know I can reach it before hamster will launch. It's not hard because of my profit per hour. It has not been 2 days. It's less than 48 hours I started from zero to this now because of my profit per hour 3.4. So every 3 hours I claim 10 point something million. Every 3 hours I claim 10. So in a day, if I can claim 4 times, that's around 4 by 10, that's 40 million. All right, so less than 48 hours now I got this. But chasing that million I talked about, I can't do it, that billion, because this profit per hour will take time before it gets there, unless I'm very consistent in claiming. But I don't think I can meet up. So now let's go to legal, please. Now you see many cars here. I just bought these ones with delay now. Now first thing I will tell you is that cars that you unlock by buying other cars are more important than the ones used to unlock them. That's one. Two is cars that have delays, like these ones you can see right here. I bought them, delaying me, remaining 57 minutes here, 57 minutes too. This any car, mostly cars in license, majority of them, sorry, in legal, majority of them have delays. They are much important. Then all the cars in special, and if you check all the cars in special, all of them have delays. Then that thing is, now all the cars in special are very important. Remember, you must buy them. Try as much as possible to buy the ones you can. Now when you go to special, there are cars that are timed. They have delays and they are timed. Still, make sure you buy them. Now what is the strategy I will tell you? I will tell you how to get a profitable card. I will still share the list, but I want you to understand this thing. Buy as much as all the cards you can, all the unlocked cards. Unlock every card you can unlock. Buy them. Now start upgrading based on profit per hour. Focus more on which one will profit you. Alright? And there are some cars. There was one car we bought sometime. I believe it has expired now. It has expired, not I believe it has expired. Or it may be on. 1 million is 1 million in special. You buy that card, there is no profit per hour. That kind of card is very important. Just buy it and keep. Okay. So now let's see this license Vietnam here now with delay. I will click it. 727,000 to give me 6.8k coins per hour. It's very good for me currently, based on the stage I am now. It's very profitable to me. Unlike when I click on license Ethiopia, I'm on level 14 on license Ethiopia. Okay, let me use license Bangladesh. Now see it, 23 million to give me 9. Which one do you think is more profitable? This one has not gotten to a million. I mean Vietnam, it has not gotten to a million and it's giving me 6.8k, almost 7k. So this one is more profitable currently to me. That's what you'll be checking. You'll be checking what he's giving you. How much are you paying? This is how much you're paying. Sorry, this is how much you're paying now to get this. Alright? The more you upgrade, the more expensive it gets. The more the profit per hour increases though, but that's what you check. You check license Nigeria, 1 million to get 469 coins per hour. So which one will you buy? This is how you check it. You go around and sort it out by yourself, then check the lists we give. You can still use it to build up. Now, which one you get and take now? This is 1 million to get not up to 500 coins per hour. Why this is 727? It's not up to a million and it's giving me 6.8. This is more profitable, so you know where to spend your coins. That's why they say spend wisely. All right, so you check this other one here, license Turkey, 641, 5.16k. So what are you seeing? Okay, so this is how you know which card at every stage you are. There will be a card that will be more profitable to you based on your level. Right now, I'm going to special now. Now let me show you this card. I couldn't buy up this card. My phone was off because I was doing focus. I was doing stream code, that was stream code. I missed this opportunity because to me it's very cheap. Why did I say that? I'll be spending not up to a million to get 6k per hour. It's very cheap. These are the kind of cars I hunt. I like devouring them. Now see this one. This one is 7 million. Where is that card? Show up, guy. It's like I've increased it. Can't find it. Okay, it's like I increased it. Okay, see, it should be this. It's now 8.5 million to get 1.7. So comparing it to that license Turkey and license Vietnam on my own stage now, which one is more profitable? I'm wasting almost 8 million to get lesser than what those ones are giving me. So I can't buy this unless I've gotten those ones to be very expensive. Then I can be buying these ones to build up my investment. Okay, but now there are skins to buy. I'll rather go and buy skins. It's either I buy profitable cars or I buy skins. Okay, I'm rounding up, please. I think this video is too lengthy now. Now see this one. That'll be the last I will show you. 64 million to acquire it. It's like it has expired. I couldn't get it. Okay, see it here. It's running for 4 hours. Now this one has delay, has timing, and it's on special. You don't joke with this kind of card. I'll buy it again. Let me just hit that 100 million to unlock that skin. I'll buy this one again. So 64 million to give me 21,000 per hour is very cheap for me. I like it. I'll buy it. Alright. So these are the things you check about to know which one to buy by yourself based on your own stage, because this thing is based on your own gaming strategy or how you are playing your game. This is how I'm playing mine and it's profiting me. I'm on 3.4 and I tell you that before few days you can know it now. I'm at 4M. I'm certain about it. I'm just angry I lost that card. I lost this card on this card. I would have used it to build up so fast. Okay, so good luck. If any issues, just feel free to ask me.